Hello everyone, welcome back to the JetPrint channel. Today we will be showing you how to connect with Etsy. Create an Etsy shop. After logging into Etsy, provide your email address to register for an account. Then click on the store icon in the top right menu to create a shop and follow the step-by-step instructions to set up your Etsy shop. Create a JetPrint account. Visit the JetPrint registration page. Complete the account registration and activate your account. If you already have a JetPrint account, simply log in. Connect JetPrint with Etsy. Go to the JetPrint integration page, find Etsy and click Connect. You will be redirected to the authorization page for your Etsy account. Click Grant Access. When you see your Etsy account on the JetPrint dashboard, it means the connection has been successfully established. After completing these steps, you can view your linked Etsy shop on the integration page in JetPrint. Add JetPrint as your Etsy production partner. Once the connection is successful, go to your Etsy shop settings, find partners you work with, and add JetPrint as a production partner. Then you will need to fill in the following information. You can choose to click the Hide button to hide the production partner's name. If you choose to hide it, enter a descriptive title in the text box, which will appear in place of the production partner's name. Adjust delivery options. If you need to create an Etsy shipping profile for JetPrint, click Create Profile in the delivery settings. Then refer to the following information to set it up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.